Hello everybody! In continuation of my previous video about the 101 different ways to install Proxmox, here I'll show you the full install on a Dell R630 using an iDRAC and IPMI in the terminal way serial console mode using ext4 on an SSD drive. So this time I'm installing Proxmox in text-based mode over serial port over LAN using the IPMI tool. On one side you have the console, on the other side you have the back iDRAC screen to see what's happening and when we're switching over. And so I need to enter the boot menu. The F11 I still did through the iDRAC, but it should also be possible through the IPMI tool. And we can already see in the IPMI tool that there's some action. Now suddenly the boot menu has become text only. I select my second USB, which contains the ISO of Proxmox. And now it's booting up. And so the back screen still has the GUI and the IPMI has full text-based. And of course I'm choosing Terminal UI with serial console. And at some point my back screen and my iDRAC will stop feeding me with info and everything will pass through the IPMI tool. So my iDRAC stopped transmitting me data. I accept the license agreement and here the text screen becomes a little bit flaky. I need to use a tab. Selecting the right option wasn't that easy, so I select my SSD drive and I leave ext for now. Next I need to change my country. Again, it's a little bit more guessing which line exactly is selected and which isn't, but it still works. And now I try to select a Dutch keyboard, since I want AZERTY. Next I need to provide a password and change to valid email. And finally, again, the network is not correct. I need first to select the correct network card. A little dot indicates the valid one. I need to change the host name. Enter a valid IP address and gateway and DNS server. I get a little overview and now the hardest work is done. Well, if I can select the install button, of course. And now it's installing. And we're done installing. Now he'll be rebooting. And now it's rebooting. And now my iDRAC receives data again. But the IPMI tool is still connected. And it's rebooting. And I can see Proxmox two ways and I'm still receiving my serial console data. and Proxmox is booted. And so I've installed through text-based successfully. If you guys enjoyed this content, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel and hit the bell sign. Or leave a comment down below.